What would you do? I have a condition that makes me super sensitive to cold. My husband clearly does not care. He literally spent over $1,000 on a weekend trip for himself with his friends, but then told me I shouldn't turn on the heat for 10 minutes to make sure it's working because it's a waste of money when it's going to get warm later. When it's cold in the house, my hands and feet go completely numb, and it makes it very difficult to do much of anything. And I stay at home, so I'm the one here all day. So